home clean is now more important than ever. In this video, I will detail quick ways on disinfecting surfaces and preventing infection. This all can be done while keeping your bathroom beautiful and functionally organized. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Now this is a half bath / powder room, and I'm giving you an overview of the bathroom's decor. We went with a beach theme for that calm, relaxing feeling when you open the door. And also the inside of the house reminds me of a house by the beach, so why not bring the beach to us? Small bathrooms normally have minimum storage. In order to maximize it, you want to utilize the bathroom's vertical space. A couple different options are using floating shelves or an over the toilet stand like this one. It's a good practice to keep a disinfectant spray or a bleach solution on the shelf to easily spray the toilet and other highly touched surfaces in the bathroom. Bacteria, germs, and viruses can survive on surfaces for a few hours or up to several days. I'll make sure I leave a link below on how to make your own disinfectant spray, and I also leave links on where to find some of the decor in this video. Now over to the sink area. You can use clear canisters or apothecary jars to store additional essential items. This box of disposable hand towels are a safe way to dry your hands. It ensures you are using a fresh, clean towel every time, and you're only touching the towel you are going to use. With all the extra hand washing, our skin may experience some dryness. So after you wash your hands, give your hands a little TLC with a moisturizing scrub and lotion. You can keep this on the counter along with a disposable spoon. I like to keep very little on the countertops, especially in small bathrooms. I keep the essentials out and everything else in the cabinet. Make sure the cabinet stays clean and organized. Use disinfectant wipes to wipe down areas in the bathroom, including the faucet knobs and the toilet flush handle. I'll also add a link below on how to make your own wipes. One of the best ways we can protect ourselves from viruses is by cleaning and disinfecting countertops and surfaces daily. We like to keep extra rolls of toilet paper on the toilet stand and this cute wire basket. Now I filmed this before the coronavirus outbreak, and we all are out looking for toilet paper right now. I used a Dollar Tree bin to store cleaning products under the sink in each bathroom for a quick cleanup, and so you don't have to go through the house looking for cleaning supplies. As you know from my other videos, I like to keep extra toiletries for guests, and I like to keep a cover for any loose toiletries to keep out any dirt or debris. You can keep any items that you think your guests may unexpectedly need, like a toothbrush, headache medicine, or sanitary napkin. It's also good to keep these items individually wrapped for safety. You can find a lot of your guests' toiletries in the travel section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all stay safe out there. Please make sure you leave a comment below and let us know how you are staying protected during this time. Make sure you click subscribe so you will be qualified for the upcoming giveaway, and click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. A new video is uploaded every week.